got big bow fenders, banana see when she rides is hard. She can't be beat, oh no. Let me just tell you why. She's on a mission. That will be her alibi. Yeah, she's on a mission. Just passing by. Yeah, she's on a mission. When she goes out, she don't take no call. She rides a bike slow, but she rides it far. Got her signals down, she don't stub no toes. You know why she's riding? 'Cause she digs it the most. Let me just tell you why. She's on a mission.
Here we are on today's ride to Santa Pola, which you can see in the distance. Bring it back in a minute.
To a red Peugeot bike, doing those things that you know she like. Got her signals down, she don't stub no toes. You know
here we are in the following down house.
she digs it the most. Let me just tell you why. She's on the
Doesn't seem to be getting any worse at the moment, to be honest. Every time I come it doesn't seem too bad. Well, it's bad, but it's not getting any worse, I don't think.
she's on a mission.
That roof overhang's looking a bit dodgy. cross-country riding. Bloody hell going this is. Here we are, Skywalk.
true believer. Anyone, anyone, anyone. I can call you out if I feel low. I can feed your dirty mind. Like I know we won't. Like I know we won't. Icon of symmetry, swallowing sides, fall down in front of me, follow my eyes, but I've got to see you moving, waste no time. Teach me, make me holy till I can sell you lies. You can't get enough.
That's Alicante.
True believer. Anyone, anyone, anyone. I can call you out if I feel low.
That's Tabaka right there.